Farm animals. Goat. Goat. Where do goats like to live? They are commonly found in rural areas, farms, and homesteads around the world. Horse. Horse. Can horses run fast? Yes, horses are known for their speed. They can run very fast, depending on their breed and training. Pig. Pig. What color is a pig? Pigs come in a variety of colors. They can be pink, black, brown, white, or even spotted. However, the most common image that comes to mind for many people is the pink color of domestic pigs. Sheep. Sheep. Do sheep have horns? Some sheep have horns due to their genetics. It's a natural trait that varies among different breeds of sheep. Chicken. Chicken. What do chickens like to eat? They like to eat grains such as corn, wheat, and barley. They also enjoy eating vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and carrots, as well as fruits such as apples and berries. Cow. Cow. What does a cow eat? Cows typically eat grass, hay, and grains. They are herbivores, which means they primarily consume plant-based foods. Deer. Deer. How do deer move around? Deer are known for their ability to move gracefully and swiftly. They typically move around by walking on their hooves, which are their two-toed, hard, and pointed feet. When they need to move quickly or escape from danger, they can run at high speeds. Duck? Duck? Where do ducks live? Some common places where ducks live include ponds, lakes, rivers and streams, marshes and wetlands, coastal areas, grassy areas. Buffalo. Buffalo. Can buffaloes swim? Yes, buffaloes are capable swimmers. They are often found in regions where water is prevalent, such as wetlands, rivers, and lakes. Rabbit. Rabbit. Can rabbits jump high? Yes, rabbits are known for their exceptional jumping ability. They have strong hind legs designed for powerful bursts of movement, which enable them to jump quite high compared to their body size. Goose. Goose. What bird has a long neck, webbed feet, and honks? The bird you're describing is a goose. Geese are known for their distinctive features such as a long neck, webbed feet, and the honking sound they make.